Why are you so upset? You look like your dog just died.
Might as well have. I just had to sit face to face with another one of my senior clients and tell them they won't get to retire when they planned. Because of my poor planning as their advisor, I have now caused them to lose money and have to postpone their retirement.
Wow. You must feel like a real idiot. How did it happen?
They came to me when they were 60 and said they wanted to retire in 7 years. So like we were trained, I put them in a risky blend of stocks, mutual funds, and a few bonds and told them our standard line.
Which one is that?
The stock market always averages around 9% over a long period of time. If the market has a few bad years, we will make it up with some good years.
Wow. It is a shame they never taught us that 2008 would be such a nightmare.
I know. I feel like a complete failure. If I have to look another retiree in the eye and tell them I am responsible for them having to keep working, I am going to quit and go get a job with some of my senior clients at Walmart. How do you keep a smile on your face knowing we are seeing our clients' account values diminish while we still take in the fees from their accounts and keep getting paid?
I have been a bit more fortunate than you have over the past couple of years.
What do you mean?
I have been placing portions of my older baby boomer and senior clients' assets into something called a fixed indexed annuity.
I have heard of those. They're horrible for clients and have massive fees and you can never get out.
That is just what they taught us to say, you bonehead. Have you ever actually looked at one before?
No. I just blindly believed our trainers when they told us they were bad for the clients.
You are just as naive as the rest of them. What if I told you that the fixed indexed annuity I am selling still lets those clients participate in some of the market gains, protects both their principal and returns each year, has a minimum guarantee each year like a CD, has benefits that take care of the client in case of an emergency or health problem, and can create an income they can't outlive?
I would say that you are crazy and nothing exists like that.
Well, then you are dumber than I had previously thought.
So you are telling me that there are products that can be linked to the stock market and lock in gains every year?
Yes.
And that if there is a bad year, the client just takes a zero and has no loss?
Yes.
And that the principal is guaranteed?
Yes.
And it has nursing home benefits, death benefits, and lifetime income benefits?
Yes.
And that it has a minimum guarantee of growth each year?
Yes.
And that it can create an income stream that the client can't outlive?
Yes.
And that the clients I saw today might be able to retire on time had I put their money in one of these?
Yes.
Now I do feel like a complete idiot. Why are they trying to hide this from us?
Because they don't get to charge fees or make ongoing income off of it. They tell us bad information about it because they haven't taken the time to truly understand how they work and see all of the benefits for having a portion of your retirement money in one of them.
Well, I appreciate you opening my eyes to this incredible product. I only wish I had this in my arsenal a few years ago. My clients, their kids, and their grandkids would all think I am a hero instead of a salesman who loses their money.
Well, I am glad we talked. I will give you the guys to call who are the experts on fixed indexed annuities. They are called the Annuity Think Tank and they can point you in the right direction.
Thank you so much for opening my eyes and I can't wait to call those annuity think tankers.